In front of me is Motorola Moto G04, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off Google Autofill. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google. Then select All Services. Tap on Autofill. Autofill with Google. And the switcher next to Use Autofill with Google. So when I do that, as you can see, my switcher is gray. That means that Autofill is definitely off, so to switch it back on, tap on the same one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!